Hello everyone! Thank you for viewing my channel and I hope manood ka hanggang sa last part ng video na ito. Before I post it online, nag-draft muna ako para hindi talaga magkamali na sa pag-entry ng mga numbers. So, ginawa ko to sa Excel. So, here's my guide for online posting of BIR remittances through tax remittance advice for the month of April 2021. So, sinum up ko muna. First is you add all the basic salaries of your agency. So ito yung total. Ito yung total na year, yung total compensation o total basic salary. Basic salary lang, hindi kasali yung pera. And then, ito naman yung other non-taxable or the GSIS, PhilHealth, and the Pag-ibig Fund personal share. Hindi rin kasali ang government share. Ito yung total niya. Ayun, yung non-taxable ay yung GSIS, PhilHealth, at Pag-ibig. Yun ang mga non-taxable na ima-minus o i-less mo sa basic salary. This is the tax. Ito, 1,304,210 pesos and 83 centavos. Ito ang mga non-taxable ng GSIS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig Fund. Ito ang withholding tax na million yung holding tax namin. So, let's start. So, first search sa Google, BIR to know the exact web address of the BIR. Click the home or Bureau of Internal Revenue. Ito na pa yung interface ng BIR. At i-search mo lang yung EFPS. E-services. Sa e-services ng BIR, may EFPS, E-Reg, EBIR forms, and EasyPay. Dito po tayo sa EFPS. At here, magla-login. Using the login username and password of your agency. So, ito yung login phase ng TRA, Tax Remittance Advice. So, after answering the security question, which is the case sensitive, so click submit. Be sure to log in your password and the username only twice. After click submit, ito yung interface niya. So, since magre-remit tayo ng income tax ng compensation, so, hindi itong 0605 na form. Ito yung 1601C, Monthly Remittance Return of Income Taxes Withheld on Compensation. So, click immediately the File Tax Return. So here showing the online and offline filing of income tax. So we choose online. And be careful in choosing the month for the return period. So since April tayo magpa-file, so click the month of April and double check the year. Bawal magkamali, guys. So April 2021. Click OK. So this is it. The monthly remittance return of income taxes withheld on compensation. This is the 1601C form of the BIR. And carefully check the required data and double check talaga. Bawal magkamali. Kasi pag may mali, magpa-file ka naman ng amendment form na napakamabusisi. So any taxes withheld? Yes. And so click ngayon ng category of withholding agent, which is since government yung file, magpa-file, so click government. Here, carefully type the total amount of compensation, which is based on the basic salary, the total basic salary of your agency. Let's say, for example, this one. 37,906, 946 and 70 centavos. 37,906, 946 and 70. Ganyan talaga po, guys, pag mag-input ng numbers paulit-ulit. And the next step is you encode the total non-taxable, which is the GSIS, PhilHealth Personal Share, and Pag-ibig Fund Share. So, dito tayo sa number 19. In our agency, we have 4,109,569 and 66 centavos. 4,109,569.66. And dito na sa number 25, total taxes withheld. $1,304,210 and 83 centavos. 1,304,210.83. Dito ka sa baba. Again, double check ko. Total taxes withheld. 1,304,210.83. At dito, click the validate button. Then, the AFP says validation successful. So, click OK. And click submit button. Ito, magpa-pop up ang dialog box. Pressing OK means that the information you are filing is final. So, any corrections will require you to file an amendment subject to BIR assessment. So, guys, dito sa form, i-review mo to pag naka-desktop ka. Pwede mong i-review kung tama ba yung month na file mo and year. So, click OK. Your filing for the month of April 2021. Is this the return period? Correct? Yes. So, form has been submitted. Please wait for the filing reference number. Okay. So, ito na yung filing reference number of our agency. So, proceed to payment. Click proceed to payment. This is the EFPS payment form. So, here, payment transaction date, 5/2/2021. So, click the EFPS mode of payment. So, since TRA yung gamitin natin or tax remittance advice. So, click tax remittance advice. So, mag-pop up. Ang tax remittance advice ay ginagamit lang ng mga NGAs. National Government Agencies. So, department code. Select department code, agency code, and fund type code. So, may code yan sa agency nyo. So, dyan, i-click mo yan. So, after that, click submit. Okay, click OK to continue. So, here it is. So, here it is, the tax remittance advice. May serial number, may TIN, may reference number. Yan, my name of agency, my address, yung pinifill out mo. Diyan magre-reflect yung amount ng tax for the month specified in the form. So this is the last part of the form of the tax remittance advice. So if you need to print it out, so click mo lang yung print or save as PDF. Ganyan. After filing the tax remittance advice, you need to log out your account. Click OK. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. At kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, you must click the subscribe button down there below and click the notification bell para updated ka sa mga bagong videos na ipopost ko. Thank you again. Thank you for your time. Have a good day and keep safe everyone.